Welcome back to Tommy Green channel. Today I have a jumpsuit to practice. Okay, the full length I'm using is 52. My first step is to take my armhole length. My armhole length is 9. I mark 9 through. My armhole length is 8, I mark 8. Then my busty length is 10, I mark 10. The half length of my body is 16. Then I mark 24, the hip length. The same thing goes this side. The armhole length is 8. My bust length is 10. The half length is 16. My waist is, hip length is 12. I'll connect. My next step is to mark the shoulder. My shoulder is 16. I'm marking 8 throughout. Then I will connect my armhole length. This is the armhole length. Then I will come down by 1.5. This is a stretchy material, so I like to come down by 1.5. But if it's a strong fabric like springs, wax, I use 1 inch. Then my neck length is 3. The neck deep is 1.5. I want it to be, the back is 1.5, while the front is 3.5. So I'm going to mark all before I cut. You can use your compass, you can use a free hand. This is the neck that I'm shaping. Okay. Then this is the armhole side. You can mark this with free hand. You can also mark it with a compass. This is the armhole. If you want to use your compass, it's still the same thing. You place your compass and you stretch. So I like to come in by 0.1, 0.5. That is the front. To make everything clear, I will measure I have 8 inches as the length, then the half of it is 4. So if you check, it's still the same place I mark the 0.5. Then I'll connect it. That is the back, the armhole for the front, while this one is the armhole for the back. So let's go to the shape. For my busty, my total busty is 40 divided by 4, that is 10. But you know, it's a free gown, it's a free jumpsuit, sorry. So I'm making use of 14. Okay, coming down for the waist, my waist is 36 divided by 4 is 9. I'm making use of 12 so that it will have a little shape. Then before I cut off this from the half length waist, from the half length, I'm marking 14. You can make it 13, but I marked 14 because after joining it's going to reduce. So I'm marking 14 throughout to have the crotch. Remember, it's the jumpsuit. Sorry, I'm marking from here. That is 14 to have the crotch. I want the crotch to go down. If you want yours to come up, you use 13. Okay, I want my crotch to go down. That's why I'm using 14. I don't want it to tighten me much, so I'm using 14. This is for the crotch. This for the crotch, so it will not have any mistake from here. Remember, this the side. I told you this is the waist half length. Then why this my hip? The hip I have 15. I'm going to use the 15 and run it down, which is going to go like this. So from, I will mark, this my armhole length, the busty, and I told you that the waist, my half length, I make it 12. So from here I will connect. This is stretching material, so I always have a little challenge with it. Then I connect to the, from here I connect to the hip. Okay, I connect to the hip, then I still go down. This time, this place, you don't need to measure it, but if you like, you measure. If you have much fabric, you measure. You can see I'm running off fabric. I don't have much fabric here, so let me come up a little. So from the crotch, which is this area, which is the crotch, down to the main length of my fabric, which is 52, I will mark 2. Sorry, you are not seeing it. From the crotch, I will mark, which is I have 21. Down here I will mark 1.5. Okay, not 2. I will mark 1.5. Then from the crotch point, I will channel it to that 1.5 to get my 1.5 here. That's what I minus to get my front crotch. I will not have any joining here. So from the crotch length, this is my hip length. From the crotch length, which is 14, I will now connect to this area. I will now connect to here. Okay. So this is the jumpsuit we are talking about. I'll start cutting. Any question you can ask me, I will explain more. I'm done cutting all, and I fix using pin to hold the laps, the shoulder, and also turn it. I later cut the turtleneck off the camera. Okay, so this is the final result of this jumpsuit. It's a free jumpsuit. Then I design it with this ribbon. I fixed one at the collar and one at the hand. So I love the outcome. I hope you learn something how to cut the simple jumpsuit. It's not the fitted one, so it's very simple. It's very simple. It gives you fitting, whether you added the belt or not, you have your fitting. It's very simple. Even when you're pregnant, you can rock this kind of style. It's very easy, but be mindful of it though, because when you want to urinate, you must zip down and remove all the top. That's the disadvantage of jumpsuits. Okay, but jumpsuit normally fits. It gives women a one kind of fitting that I love so much. Do take care of yourself. I'm still Chomi Design here. Thank you for watching to this extent. If you have any question, please drop at the comment section. Okay, that's all I have to say. I love you guys, all my sustained subscribers. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to follow me for more. See you.